One of the best ways to build engagement for your live streams is by allowing your chat to appear on your screen. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you're able to add a Kick chat overlay for your live streams utilizing bot rigs. And so jumping straight into the video, the very first thing you want to do is head on over to botrigs.live. And I'm going to make sure to have a link to this down in the description below so that we guys can go ahead and follow along. And so once you get to this page, you're going to select this option right here that says log in with Kick. You are then going to sign in with your Kick credentials. And once you have allowed access, you will then automatically see that your profile has been logged in. You will know that you're logged in because there'll be a check mark right next to your Kick name. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the left-hand side. You're going to select chat box. And then you just want to make sure that your chat box is turned on. And then what you're going to do from here is you're also going to go over to extras. And then you're going to turn on your chat alerts. And once you click setup, this is basically going to show up inside of your chat when somebody follows, subscribes, send in kicks, and things like that. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and select confirm. And so what you're going to do now is come over to widgets. You're going to go over to chat overlay. And you will then be met with a chat preview, and you can come down here and you can customize it to fit your own personal aesthetic. And so we're not streaming to YouTube, so we're actually going to go ahead and just take that off. It's going to refresh, and then you can just come down here. You can change your animations. I personally like a fade in animation, but you can do like a slide in animation. It will actually go ahead and refresh the page, and it will now change this in the preview. And you can also change the design. So if you want it like transparent, you want like bubbles, you want it white, or like whatever design that you want, you'll be able to choose it right here. Now, some of these are only available under the premium option. You'll know that it's for premium when it has a star right next to it. So you can choose any of the ones that does not have a star right next to it if you don't want to pay for the premium version. And so once you're finished setting this up to fit your aesthetic, you're going to go ahead and scroll down. There's going to be a widget URL. You're going to go ahead and copy it. Once you've copied it, you are then going to go inside of OBS Studio so that we can go ahead and paste it. And so I'm now officially inside of my OBS Studio. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is come over to my scenes, and I want to make sure that I'm up under the appropriate scene as to where I want my chat overlay to be on. Once I have that selected, I'm going to come over to my sources. I'm going to click on the plus icon. I'm going to come up to my browser, and I'm just going to rename this chat overlay. I'm going to make sure that this is visible and click OK. I'm now going to go ahead and paste the URL that we got from BotRigs. And since I have a chat box right here on my screen, I'm going to resize this to fit that. However, you can also change the width and the height to fit your own personal preference. But for me, it's going to be 400 by 960. I'm going to click OK, and you should now see a box pop up right here on your screen. Just go ahead and position it as to where you want it to be at. And now if I were to come over to my Kick, and if I were to just start typing inside of my chat, you should now officially be seeing your chat appear on your screen. And so there you have it. That is how you're able to set up a chat overlay for your Kick live streams utilizing bot rigs. And so if you made it to the end, make sure you give this a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And in case if you want to learn how to set up donations for your Kick live streams, then make sure you click on this video right here, and I'll catch you in the comments down below as well as in the next video.